Welcome to Mangalayatan University. In this video, we will see how students will take an online exam. You should have received an email from your university at your registered email address. It contains a URL that you need to click on. Note, your user ID is your enrollment number and your password for the exam is your date of birth in the format dd/mm/yy. Be sure to include the forward slashes. Example 16/08/1992 for 16th August 1992. One special mention, this exam will not operate in any of the iOS devices. Please enter your username and password, then press the submit button. Now you will see a page where exam instructions are mentioned. Read out all the details properly. Then click on the checkbox. Now select your subject from the options provided below. After clicking the link, you will see a page where you can read the exam instructions and information. Please click on it to check your camera and browser. Please grant all the necessary permissions and click Take Photo. Please click on Start Exam. Please provide your answer and click on the Next button. If you want to skip a question, you can directly select the question number. You can use your answer sheet for the subjective questions. Please upload your subjective answer file here. You can also upload the file from your phone by scanning the QR code. In case you don't know how to make a PDF of your subjective answer, use our app. You can access PDF Maker. Tap on plus icon and select camera option or gallery according to your convenience. Now capture the image. And click on Convert to PDF. At last, attach the file that you have made from the PDF Maker. Now, click on Next and select Save and Finish. If you are unable to upload the file due to time constraints, you can go to the answer file upload and upload it within the limited time. Thank you.